Real Housewives of Atlanta couple Kim and Kroy are getting a divorce, and it's nasty, guys. All right, so I had to make a video about this when I saw this story. There are multiple outlets that are reporting on the nasty custody dispute going on between Real Housewives of Atlanta couple Kim and Kroy. Look, I got to admit, I thought these guys were a cute couple. They even got their own spinoff, a couple of seasons of their own spinoff show. But here's the deal, okay? Kim is demanding that Kroy gets drug tested inside of their custody case because apparently his pot smoking is getting out of control. Okay, this is where I decided I had to make a video, because I have seen so many parents in custody cases that try to make a big stink about pot smoking. Here's the deal, okay? Pot is almost totally legal most everywhere in the U.S. now, okay? Other parts of the world, totally socially acceptable. It's going to come as a shocker to you, but even a lot of judges who might be presiding over your case smoke pot, okay? I'm not saying your judge smokes pot. I'm not accusing any particular judge of smoking pot, but it's a fact, okay? There are judges, there are lawyers, there are human beings that smoke pot, and it is just about totally socially acceptable. And so inside of your custody case, all right, if you are going to withhold contact of the kids from the other parent on an accusation that they smoke pot, you probably are going to get yourself in trouble, okay? Because everywhere you go, if you're withholding time with the kids from the other parent, if you don't have an absolutely red alert, critical, children are about to die reason for that, you're going to get yourself in trouble with the courts for withholding contact from the kids. And the other parent might well go ahead and get more time sharing than you do, okay? So if you fancy yourself as the majority parent, then you better not be withholding the kids from the other parent for no good reason. And I'm telling you, most of the time, from what I'm seeing these days, accusing the other side of smoking pot, not good enough. It's not going to rise to the level of being a good reason for you to be withholding time from the kids. Most judges, when you go into a hearing, here's my prediction. When Kim schedules her hearing for having Kroy drug tested for his pot smoking, okay, I think she's going to get shut down. I think the judge is going to tell her, ma'am, it doesn't really matter if he's smoking pot. You know, what else do you think he's doing? Okay, Kroy will probably come in and testify, Your Honor, she used to smoke pot with me. We smoke pot together. I smoke pot all the time. I just don't smoke pot during my time with the kids. I don't keep pot in the house when the kids are there, and the kids are safe and happy. There's never been an incident where the kids were hurt because of my pot smoking or where the kids were smoking pot. So, and honestly, most judges, the way that the statutes are written for child custody cases in most states, if not all states, okay, is that if you're going to accuse the other parent of engaging in some sort of dangerous conduct, you have to have proof that that alleged conduct is negatively affecting the children, okay? I haven't seen anywhere in any of these publications that's saying that Kim is actually accusing Kroy of allowing the kids to be injured, whether it's physically or emotionally, okay? I mean, it's a problem. It's desperation, okay? It's something where you see it a lot when a parent is just super scorned, super angry and pissed off that the divorce is happening and they want to punish the ex. That old cliche situation where you punish the ex by using the kids for wanting to divorce you. That's usually kind of what the situation looks like when you have a spouse who's accusing the other one of smoking pot. Because here's the deal. They were married for how many years? 8, 9, 10 years, okay? The pot smoking clearly wasn't a big deal, right? They stayed married. She dealt with the pot smoking. It wasn't a big deal until now he wants a divorce. Now, all of a sudden, the pot smoking is this big, horrible, dangerous deal that requires drug testing and all this other BS. And that's kind of the way I've seen judges look at it. So think about it, guys, okay? Before you withhold time with the kids from the other parent, before you go filing motions, making accusations in your divorce or your custody case, you gotta have something really serious, okay? Just accusing someone of smoking pot, unfortunately, 20 years ago, maybe it was more serious, okay? These days, I don't see judges really caring unless people are leaving bongs and pot bags and stuff out on the coffee table and the kids are playing with it, right? Or maybe like the 12-year-old kid is smoking pot with the parent. Okay, that's a problem, all right? Now the courts are going to get involved in that, but you better have proof You better be able to prove it. All right. I don't think it doesn't sound like Kim's got proof. It just sounds like sounds like she's making a big deal out of nothing. I don't predict that it's going to go anywhere. We'll see if I'm right. All right. Obviously, guys, nothing in this video is legal advice or an invitation to establish an attorney-client relationship. Always consult your own attorney in your jurisdiction about your set of facts. Never make a legal decision about your case based on a YouTube video. But that being said, if this video helped you out, don't be shy with the thumbs up button. Also, if you want to learn about family law, divorce, child support, celebrity legal issues, and so much more, you should strongly think about subscribing to this channel because we are currently accepting new subscribers. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.